Hi there, I'm Sherry Keller, Senior Worldwide Client Development Manager for Microchip. Welcome to our microchipDIRECT how-to tutorial. In this short video, you will learn how easy it is to request a pricing quote for your high-volume orders. With a microchipDIRECT business account, you have the option to request quotes for high-volume pricing. To request a quote, simply log into your microchipDIRECT business account and click Request Quote for special pricing under the Volume Pricing tab. You can then use the drop-down menu to select the microchip part number. If you already know it, simply type it into the part number field. Next, fill in the quantity and your requested price. Remember to use your estimated annual usage when filling in the quantity field. This will allow you to use the same quote for future orders. Once you have entered the part number, you can click Add Item for additional part numbers or simply click Submit Quote Request. If you are a contract manufacturer, you will be required to provide your end customer information. Your quote will be submitted to your local sales office for processing. After submitting your quote request, you can view the status by clicking Check Quote Status under the Volume Pricing tab. Please allow 24 to 48 hours for your quote request to be processed. That wraps up our tutorial on high volume quotes. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.